Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful rocket evolution espresso machine. We're borrowing a tray and we're borrowing a portafilter from another rocket espresso machine since this machine did not came with one. So for this machine we replaced the vacuum release valve, the one you see right here, and we had to replace the e61 group head. Unfortunately this piece was very worn out. We tried to do an overhaul on it, but the seals did not, the new valves did not really seal well, and it was just letting water go through the whole thing, not able to pressurize properly and extract the coffee the way it should be. So now this is a new group head. We had to go back in there and pretty much remove half of these things so we can actually have space to install the newer one. And as you can see, this looks amazing. It's really, it looks really beautiful. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. I'm using a bottomless portafilter, so hopefully I tampered correctly and we can see a good shot coming out of this machine. Pretty fast, but as you saw, really good crema. Like I said, it's a bit tricky to do it with a bottomless portafilter, but looks pretty good. We also descaled this machine. There was a lot of scale in this machine as well. So as you can see, really good powerful machine. And excellent hot water. You have it. Rocket evolution working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.